everyone. Today we'll cook the yummy crispy corn. Before that, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon. Take 4 cups of water and add half teaspoon salt. Once the water is heated, drop the sweet corn kernels. I have taken 2 cups sweet corn here. Keep the flame on medium to high and just boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook them, otherwise it will absorb more oil during deep frying. Now the corn is boiled for 2 minutes. I'm taking the sweet corn into a sieve and draining off the excess water. Bring the sweet corn to the room temperature and let's add cornflour now. I'm using 4 tablespoons of cornflour here. Add little at a time and make sure it is coated well to the corn. The corn needs to be little moist. That helps the cornflour to stick to the corns well. Heat the oil for deep frying. Drop a piece of corn. If it starts bubbling and come to the surface, then the oil is ready. Drop the sweet corn carefully and fry them on medium to high flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until they get the nice golden color. Now the corns are crispy, drain the excess oil and transfer it onto a kitchen towel. Let's prepare the seasoning now. Take a bowl and add half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon cumin powder and half teaspoon salt and mix all the spices well. I am squeezing juice from half lemon here. Adding lemon juice helps the seasoning to stick to the corn well. Now we will add the seasoning. You can add the entire mix we have prepared or little less based on your taste. Now mix it well. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. You can also use spring onions. Give it a nice mix. That's it. Our crispy corn is ready. Serve it right away. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit on the bell icon.